Hi, in this guide I'm going to show you how to use Exmerge, a little program used to back up Exchange mail accounts. This tool can also be used to transfer mail accounts from one server to another. So it's got more than one feature to this program. Exmerge can be downloaded off the internet, Microsoft website, or even there's a link on the Pineway website, www.pineway.co.uk, where you can actually download Exmerge utility. In this example, we downloaded Exmerge and I've placed it on my E drive. Now, these are the files you get as standard. You don't get backup back. I've made that up myself, but I'll explain that in a moment. All that is so I can do automated backups of mailboxes. You'll see in a moment that when I click on Exmerge, it won't be able to run. It'll complain about a missing DLL file. This is because the system path doesn't know where the DLLs are for Exchange in that particular file there. To overcome this, what we need to do is to find out the local path to Exchange server, to bin file folder, and we need to copy that file out, that location out there. Go to my computer, right click it, down to properties, and click on Advanced tab, and then click on Environment Variables. Down here you look for the one which says path. Now it is there. Highlight it in blue. Just single click it once, and then left click on the edit button. Go to right at the very end of the variable value. Mustn't delete anything out of there at all. Put a semicolon and then paste in the path that we copied a moment ago. So that's what it should look like, what we just had in now. So it's semicolon C colon / program files / exchange exch srvr vr / bin. Click on OK. That's what we need to do. That will allow Exmerge to run on the server. There you go. So you click next. Now there's a couple of options you've got available here. Option 1, you can, where it goes to a destination server, so it copies all the mail boxes off the current server and will export them to the second server. Or you can do it to local folders in a PST format, which is the option we want in this example. Now again, on the second screen you've got step 1. This one here is for putting into local folders again, or we've got a second one here that is to do to the remote server. So we just want option 1, which is step 1 on this, and click next. Now the server name, you have to enter in the server name of Exchange. This isn't always in there by default, so you need to find out the name of the Exchange, which is the server you're running Exchange on. To find this out, go to my computer, right click, go down to properties, click on computer name, and that's the name that you need to enter into on the Exmerge utility. Then you just need to click next. This generates a list of all the mailboxes on the server. So I'm going to select all of those, click next. Default, still always use it to English Britain, that's where I'm located, so it's fine, click next. This is the location where you want the PS2 files to be kept. I'm putting onto E drive as default. It tells you the space available on D drive, E drive I mean, and also the space required. Click next. Click on save settings. That produces a INE file with your settings to make it easier for the future. And click next. Now you've got 3 failures here. The reason why that is, by default with Exchange 2000 or Exchange 2003 server, by default the administrator account does not have permission to read all mailboxes. So you need to manually override that to give the administrator account permissions to read all mailboxes before Exmerge can read all mailboxes and produce no failures here. So click finish. You need to go to start menu, programs, exchange and system manager. So you go down to the servers tab and select my server, go to the first storage group and then singly click on the mail store and right click and go down to properties, and we need the security tab up. Now for the administrator, what we need to do is enable receive as for Exmerge to work. So also we can't, the reason why it's not working because it's denied here, so we need to click on advanced, go down to here, find the administrator which is deny for receive as, click on edit and just click on receive as there, so to allow it, click on OK, apply and OK, and again close that down, run Exmerge again using the same settings. You will find now you'll get 4 successes. There you go. That's now completed the backup of